Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to 1Password Chrome extension. And so if you want to log into the extension of 1Password in Google Chrome, just go ahead and look to the upper right and either click on extension icon and you can find it and you can quickly pin it or click on it and it's going to open. As you can see, I already have it pinned, and so all I have to do is click on it and you can see over it that it's currently locked. And so once I click on it, I can open it by entering my password. So all I have to do is enter my password, and once I hit enter, it's going to log me into the 1Password, and you can see now it's unlocked and it's open, and that's it. So simple means if I click on 1Password now and try to, for example, go to the admin console or use whichever credentials, it's gonna quickly work. And so in case you're not able to use 1Password to, let's say, use some login or whatever, just check to see if the 1Password extension is currently logged in, and if it's not logged in, you want to sign in first and then you'll be able to use credentials again or whichever item that you have saved within 1Password. But that's it.